Bird couriers, an intriguing and unique method of communication, have a history that stretches back thousands of years. These avian messengers played a crucial role in transmitting information across vast distances, serving as an early form of long-distance communication. The use of bird couriers, also known as pigeon post, showcases the remarkable bond between humans and birds and offers insights into the ingenuity of ancient civilizations. Ancient origins and civilizations. The history of bird couriers can be traced back to ancient civilizations such as Egypt, Greece, and Rome. Egyptians used trained pigeons to carry messages, and they were even considered sacred birds associated with goddesses like Isis. In ancient Greece, pigeons were used to convey results of the Olympic Games, while the Roman military employed them for strategic communication. Medieval and Renaissance Europe. During the Middle Ages and Renaissance, bird couriers regained prominence in Europe. Pigeons, particularly homing pigeons, were bred and trained for communication purposes. These birds demonstrated remarkable navigational abilities, returning to their home roosts even after being transported hundreds of kilometers away. Military and diplomatic uses. Bird couriers became especially valuable during wartime. Throughout history, armies and governments employed pigeons to send urgent messages between locations that were otherwise difficult to access due to geographical barriers or enemy presence. Pigeons were used during both world wars for their reliability and speed of communication. Modern contributions and decline. The use of bird couriers continued into the 20th century, with some notable contributions during times of conflict. However, the advent of more advanced communication technologies such as telegraphs, telephones, and eventually the Internet led to the decline of bird couriers. The traditional roles were largely replaced by faster and more efficient means of communication. Cultural significance. Beyond their practical uses, bird couriers have also left an indelible mark on culture and folklore. Pigeons have been celebrated in literature, art, and even religious texts as symbols of freedom, peace, and communication. The history of bird couriers reflects humanity's ingenious efforts to bridge vast distances and communicate in times of need. These avian messengers played a vital role in connecting civilizations, armies, and individuals across centuries. While the use of bird couriers has largely faded in the modern era, their legacy continues to inspire fascination and admiration for the unique bond between humans and birds, as well as the creative ways in which people have harnessed the natural world to meet their communication needs.